golfers, we're in part 3 of my internship here at Sherwood Hills. So that means I've got 2 more tasks for this episode. I'm back again with Boss Nevin. Good morning.
Good morning. Butit, hindi ka na late ngayon.
Maaga. Always the early bird naman.
Okay, buti.
Na-late lang the last time, boss. Anyway, so anong gagawin natin today, boss?
Ngayon, yung greens mowing natin at saka fairway mowing.
Okay, greens mowing muna.
Oo, greens mowing muna.
So, paano ba natin gagawin yon?
Ito, dito tayo. Actually, ito, kailangan mong alisin muna yung mga gulong para
Okay.
mailapit doon. Saka ito, may engage mo para makagupit.
Okay.
Okay? Yung mga parts, ito. Actually, ito, basket. Ito yan, dito. Ito yung reels.
Okay.
Okay?
Ito yung panggupit.
Okay. Ito yung magupit. Na-contact dyan, bed knife.
Okay.
Diyan sinusukat yung cutting height.
Kasi like when you go to a golf course,
Yeah.
iba-iba yung bilis ng green. So depende sa gupit.
Yung gupit niyan, dito sinusukat, may mga pang-calibrate kami. So this is 2.6 cutting height. Ito yung gagamitin natin.
Okay. So yun na yung nagsasabi kung gaano kabilis yung greens natin dito.
Kung gaano kababa o kataas yung height ng grass, yung damo.
Doon ay mas mabilis. Siyempre mas maikli, mas mabilis yung greens.
Oo. So ito na.
Okay.
Umpisa
Let's
natin.
mow our greens.
So,
First
stand
one,
muna.
stand muna. Okay, so nakaangat na yung mga gulong.
I-press mo siya, hugot.
Galing natin ngayon sa stand. Okay!
Ilagay mo yung basket doon.
Lagyan natin yung basket pabalik. Okay, we're ready.
Start the engine.
And pull. Engage the blade. And here we go.
Kailangan may target ka.
So may linya.
May linya. So usually,
So sundan natin ang linya. Not that hard.
Pagka-angat ka na, pagka hindi mo siya kaya pigilin, ito ay ikuan mo.
Okay.
Okay. Pagka nasa baba ka na, pagka nasa loob na, saka mo ibaba. Sige. Sige pa.
Di ba?
Pati pa. Hop. Sige. Pagka hindi mo siya kontrolin, itaas mo lang to.
Okay. Let's go back this time.
Huwag mo siya pigilan.
Okay.
Iyan mo siya. Kontrol lang. Yan. Ganun lang.
Tapos,
Angat! Baba. Mahulog. Yan.
So one thing that I noticed is when you're gonna go from one end to the other, you gotta make sure that the blades aren't engaged. Dapat the blades are only engaged while you're cutting the green. So, and every time you make a U-turn, you gotta make sure that you pull it up, turn it around so that the blades are not cutting. Put it down, and then go.
Kaya pagdating mo doon, hindi ka titigil. Dapat pag ganun pa balik-balik yan. Pagdating mo sa dulo. Yan. Ikot mo na. Yan.
Turn, about to turn, about to turn.
Medyo nahihirapan.
Gotta take control of this mower. Obviously, the mower is taking control of me.
Walang panalo sa akin to. Kakakain ko ng alikabok sa akin.
Not that easy. It keeps going. It keeps going.
Yung skills, kulang pa. Effort at gandang lalaki lang.
As you can see, it's not that easy to have perfect greens, nice, pristine, well-cut greens. It's very difficult to maintain. So, Boss Nevin, ano tingin mo?
I'm sorry to say, pero mukhang laglag ka rito.
Mukhang mas bagay ako dun sa...
Oo, mas mukhang bagay ka sa fly mo eh. Pero sa effort at saka sa gandang lalaki, siguro bibigyan ka ng 75.
Yan ang mabait na boss. On to the next task.